Prime Meghalaya on Wednesday organized a program at the Watts Lake, Shillong, celebrating the selection of the top 75 startups under the Chief Minister's E-Championship Challenge 6.0 and the graduation of 75 startups from Cohort 5. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma attended the event as the chief guest. Addressing the gathering, the Chief Minister underscored the transformative role of entrepreneurship in the state's development, noting that Meghalaya has built a strong startup ecosystem that has earned national recognition. Sharing his own entrepreneurial struggles, he assured continued government support while cautioning that entrepreneurship remains challenging, a gap Prime aims to address. The Chief Minister also stressed that the state's economic policies, infrastructure initiatives and mission mode programs are closely linked to entrepreneurship and called for nurturing an entrepreneurial culture among the youth from an early age. He also urged upon entrepreneurs to persevere despite failures. During the program, the Chief Minister launched the Prime Entrepreneur Catalogue, honored top performers of the incubation program and felicitated graduating startups from cohorts 5 and 6.
Please put your hands together for Manari, represented by Vivoxius Longspoon, a truly emerging venture. We now invite Simpong, represented by Honest Stones Aim and Ritinaris Dingdong, known for their enterprising spirit. And finally, coming up next is Red Rose Photography, represented by Deduang Menuin D. Shira, a creative addition to our growing startup community.
And let's not forget to also recognize those entrepreneurs
And enterprise.
Please put your hands together for AMS Films, represented by Amsrang C.H. Marak and Sengkam T. Sangma, a truly creative venture making its mark.
Coming up next is SM So Manufacturing, represented by Sebastian Malay and Daepang Ringshon, known for their dedicated entrepreneurial spirit.
Up next is Gad's Fashion, with Bakin Tilin Mautho leading the way, a stylish addition to the growing startup community.
1, 2, 3, one more. Thank you.
You'll keep going, you'll keep moving forward, no matter what the challenges are. Believe that you will overcome those challenges. And enjoy this moment, trust me. You can't imagine when you look back after 10 years, 5 years, to these moments of how you struggled to be where you are or where you will be. Trust me, you will remember and cherish those moments throughout your life. I wish you all the very best in all the projects that you're doing now and that you will do in the future. You're all stars, you're all champions. You are motivators for other youths who will look up to you and say, I want to be like him. I want to be like her. And I hope that that's what you all will become. So keep working, keep shining, keep smiling, and keep taking risks, moving ahead. And I know that all of you will be successful in life. Wishing you all the very best again. May God bless each and every one of you, and may God bless our beautiful state of Meghalaya. Kublai Shikun, Mathela, and Jai Hind.